It's Jim from Propow. Are you tired of the trouble with the lead-acid battery?
Slow charging, constant water refills. Why do you keep suffering when you deserve better choices? We are here to help our customer to upgrade forklift with lithium battery for zero maintenance and faster charging.
Wondering how easy the replacement is? Only 3 steps to get it done. Step 1. Check the forklift brand, forklift model, and also the battery voltage, battery capacity, the minimum weight, maximum weight. Step 2. Check the information of the original lead-acid battery. For example, this one is voltage is 48 volt, capacity is 700 amps hour, as well as check the dimension, the length, the width, the height. Another important information is the interface, the discharge connector. This one is RAM connector. Step 3. Take off the connector and remove the old battery.
Here comes our lithium battery, same dimension, same interface, and same weight.
Replaced with Propow lithium battery, plug in the connector, start it up, and it's time to go.
No forklift tricks, no wire cutting, as easy as possible.
It's time to upgrade your forklift with Propow lithium battery. Zero maintenance, more power, less labor cost, more productivity. Contact us now and upgrade your forklift to the next level.